Family resorts can vary widely in style and amenities. Some are better suited for younger children, others for teens. Some focus on laid back atmosphere, and others offer a more luxurious experience. With so many options, it can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll help you find the perfect destination for your family's needs. Stick around as we share with you our latest selection of the top 6 best all-inclusive family resorts in Cancun, Mexico for 2025. Starting at number 6, Wyndham Alltra Cancun. Located in Cancun's hotel zone, just 20 minutes from the airport, this family-friendly resort offers spacious suites, exciting activities for kids, and a wide range of dining options. With its beachfront location, Wyndham Alltra is a popular choice for a fun-filled, all-inclusive family getaway. One of its highlights is the pirate-themed splash park, featuring 7 water slides, 2 splash zones, and a family pool. The Camp Ultra program caters to kids ages 4 to 12, offering engaging activities during the day, while after-hours babysitting is available for an extra fee. Families can also enjoy movie nights by the pool, magic shows, and nightly entertainment. Beyond the family-focused amenities, the resort offers an activity pool, a hot tub, and a sun deck for relaxation. The beachfront location provides opportunities for beach volleyball, yoga, and even wine or tequila tastings with an on-site sommelier. Guests can choose from 5 restaurants serving Mexican, Italian, and international cuisine, alongside 2 food courts offering tacos and hot dogs. Accommodations at Wyndham Alltra Cancun include various suite options, from garden view rooms to beachfront walkout suites with direct access to the ocean. Family junior suites are designed to accommodate up to 5 people and come equipped with bunk beds and a trundle bed for kids. All suites include thoughtful amenities such as minibars, furnished terraces, and ocean views. There's also a state-of-the-art fitness center, group fitness classes, and the Aura Spa, where you can indulge in Mayan-inspired treatments or a complimentary hydrotherapy experience. Teens can kick back at the #hangout room, while younger children have their own space at the kids club. Nightly entertainment has you covered with live music, themed parties, and plenty of ways to keep the fun alive for everyone. At number 5, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. Opened in 2022 and just 15 minutes from the airport, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun offers families a perfect blend of excitement, relaxation, and luxury. With a large water park, modern accommodations, and plenty of family-friendly activities, it guarantees unforgettable memories for every guest. At the heart of this resort's excitement is one of the Caribbean's largest on-site water parks. Packed with 14 thrilling slides, 2 lazy rivers, spray grounds, and splash pads, it's a paradise for water lovers. Young adventurers can explore their own design splash zones, while Diamond Club members have exclusive access to one of the lazy rivers. Beyond the water park, families can cool off in any one of the 4 outdoor pools, including one reserved exclusively for Diamond Club members. The splash park, complete with slides and tipping buckets, is great for kids, while adults can retreat to the private pool cabanas for a more relaxed vibe. For indoor fun, Game Up features a trampoline park, bowling alley, and laser tag. The supervised kids club ensures children aged 4 to 12 have a blast with indoor play areas, cartoons, and outdoor adventures, giving parents a well-earned break. Teens will love the variety of activities to offer, from sports to social spaces. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate Royalton Fit, a cutting-edge gym with techno gym equipment, towel service, and water coolers. You can join instructor-led classes like Zumba, weight training, high-intensity interval training, and even body combat, or experience sunrise yoga sessions in the outdoor terrace. There's even a dedicated space for high-intensity interval training workouts, complete with a punching bag and battle ropes. Family bonding takes center stage with activities like trivia games, cooking classes, aquatic competitions, and sports such as tennis, paddleboarding, and beach volleyball. Parents can rejuvenate at the spa or soak up the sun on the secluded beach, featuring golden sands and tranquil waters. If unwinding is at the top of your list, the Royal Spa is the place to be. Treat yourself to their hydrotherapy circuit. Think steam rooms, bucket showers, plunge pools, and those heavenly in-water loungers with built-in massage jets. You can also pamper yourself with a Bob War skincare treatment in one of their 16 cozy cabins, or stop by the salt room or beauty salon for an extra touch of indulgence. Royalton Splash delivers on all fronts. It's home to 12 restaurants and 10 bars that cater to every craving, from Italian favorites at Grazy to bold Mexican dishes at Agave. You got a sweet tooth? Scoops Gelato has you covered, and Grazy to Go serves up quick, delicious pizzas. In terms of accommodation, families can choose from an array of swim-out suites or upgrade to Diamond Club for perks like private lounge access and butler service. Modern design and thoughtful touches ensure a comfortable stay after a day packed with fun. Number 4, Iberstar Selection Cancun. As one of the highest rated family resorts in Mexico, Iberstar Selection Cancun is a favorite year after year. Just 15 minutes from the airport in the heart of the hotel zone, this all-inclusive retreat provides something for every family member, catering to all types of travelers. For families, the resort's highlight is the Star Camp Children's Program, designed for kids ages 4 to 15. Activities range from creative workshops and cooking classes to puppet shows and eco-friendly initiatives like Starkey's Orchard. Kids can have a blast at the Aquafun water park with exciting pirate ship slides and splash pools, while parents relax by one of the 10 pools or the beachfront infinity pool, complete with a swim-up bar for a refreshing drink. Dining is a treat for all taste buds. With 6 specialty restaurants including Mexican, Japanese, and American options, even the pickiest eaters will be delighted. The kids menu ensures that little ones are well fed, and adults can savor fine dining at venues like La Orma Gourmet Restaurant. For casual bites, the beachfront food truck provides quick meals like burgers and hot dogs. Families looking for activities together will appreciate the Iberstar's vast array of offerings. Play soccer, volleyball, or tennis in the sports court, explore marine life through PADI certified scuba diving, or bond over cooking classes and scavenger hunts. In the evenings, enjoy live music, professional shows at the amphitheater, or themed entertainment. For parents seeking relaxation, the Spa Sensations offers rejuvenating treatments, including the Sensations Signature Massage. Meanwhile, babysitting services are available for a fee, so couples can treat themselves to a romantic dinner or a leisurely evening stroll along the beach. If you like what you're seeing, take the opportunity to check out the links below to book one of these family resorts at the most unbeatable prices. Third on the list, Moon Palace Cancun. Ideal for travelers who prefer larger resorts, Moon Palace Cancun offers over 2,500 luxurious rooms and 16 diverse restaurants. With a 27-hole golf course, water slides, and a world-class spa, there is something for everyone. You'll find plenty to love here, from a 27-hole Jack Nicklaus signature golf course and 5 sparkling pools to the exciting Flow Rider surf simulator. When it's time to eat, you'll be spoiled for choice with bars and restaurants offering everything from Italian to Brazilian cuisine. And after a full day of fun, you can kick back in accommodations with luxurious extras like whirlpool tubs and super comfy king-size beds. Spread across 123 acres of beautiful gardens and a gorgeous white sand beach, Moon Palace Cancun offers 3 unique resort areas: Sunrise, Nizuc, and Golf Villas. Each has its own vibe and luxurious perks. Sunrise is all about family fun, with round-the-clock room service, entertainment, and convenient dining options. Nizuc offers a peaceful oceanfront escape, while Golf Villas treat avid golfers to stunning course views and premium suites. Across all areas, you'll enjoy top-notch amenities like whirlpool tubs, minibars, and TVs. Families will appreciate the Kids Club, where little ones ages 4 to 12 can dive into treasure hunts, arts and crafts, and even a kiddie disco. Teens can hang out at the Wired Lounge, complete with video games, arcade fun, and a cool space to chill. For adults, the Moon Palace Spa is the true retreat, providing everything from hydro-reflexology to couples massages in a peaceful setting. Foodies are in for a treat, with dining options that take you on a world tour. Think international buffets and fine a la carte restaurants. Both the Nizuc and Sunrise have their very own selection of dining spots, ranging from authentic Mexican flavors to fresh poolside sushi. Golfers will be thrilled with the 3 distinct 9-hole courses, blending challenge and beauty seamlessly. Number 2, Hyatt Zea Cancun. Perfect for families looking for a bit more luxury, the Hyatt Zea offers amazing service and plenty of fun. Set right on the beach, it's a mix of relaxation and adventure for all ages. For younger guests, the Kids Club provides a fun and safe space where kids can enjoy a range of activities like arts and crafts, games, and movies. There's also a mini water park where children can splash around, keeping them entertained for hours. Parents can relax knowing their little ones are in safe hands with professional staff. For teens, the At Moods Lounge offers an exclusive area to hang out, play video games, and participate in social activities, ensuring the older children have their own space to de-stress and socialize. Hyatt Zea Cancun goes beyond the typical resort offerings with a variety of activities and entertainment designed for family participation. Families can take part in outdoor excursions such as snorkeling, kayaking, and beach volleyball, or join group activities organized by the resort's entertainment team. Evening entertainment includes family-friendly shows and performances that everyone can appreciate together, making sure there's always something fun happening throughout the day and the night. Dining here is also tailored to family needs, with multiple restaurants serving international cuisine to satisfy every palate. From casual beachside dining to more refined options, Hyatt Zea also accommodates dietary preferences, allowing every guest to find meals that suit their needs. And at number 1, Finest Playa Mujeres. Finest Playa Mujeres is one of the most luxurious all-inclusive destinations dedicated to meeting every family's needs with attentive service. It boasts 10 pools, including heated choices for winter, 12 diverse restaurants, and 15 bars. Families can choose from various room types, including family suites with separate children's bedrooms and connecting rooms for extra space. The resort features a children's pool, a baby and toddler pool, and a large playground. The Kids Club is split into 3 age-appropriate areas, offering activities like water games, crafts, and games for kids and teens. Additionally, the Imagine Lounge provides daycare during dinner and spa hours for those families seeking a little adults-only time. Guests can take part in numerous beach, land, and water activities such as kayaking, snorkeling, sailing, and more. Families can also explore the nearby attractions, including Chichen Itza and Isla Mujeres. That's all for today. Don't miss out. Book your stay at one of these incredible all-inclusive resorts through the links below. Also, be sure to subscribe for all the latest travel updates. Thanks for watching, and here's to your next adventure.